This video is intended for educational use and features substantial original commentary throughout.
Holy shit.
Hope they get pulled over.
People like this never get pulled over. I don't understand why not. Oh my god. Oh! He hit that car! Oh fuck. That guy's still going.
Holy fuck! Should we call 911?
Oh fuck.
It's a hit and run!
That's definitely fucking hit and run.
Holy fuck.
What the fuck is he?
Look over this car.
Holy shit. Where'd he go? His car's still dragging. Did he get off the road?